Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to add emoji to Discord. So for that, open the Discord application at first. So once you're at the Discord homepage, you need to tap upon the conversation or the page where you want to apply this emoji. So this is the server where I want to apply the emoji or add emoji on the Discord. Therefore, the first process to add emoji is to use the built-in Discord emoji. For that, click on the smiley face icon on the text box. Tap that, and from there you will be able to send the emojis that is available in Discord from here. If you scroll down, you will find more options below. So this is one way how you can add emoji to Discord. You can also insert emoji in text box by typing a colon followed by a keyword. For example, colon smile will insert a smiling emoji to your Discord. If you tap on send, this is another way how you can send a emoji. Discord also allows server owner to add a custom emojis as well. For that, you need to go to the menu, tap that, and here you tap on the dotted lines. Then you need to scroll down and tap on edit server profile, tap that. And here you can tap on get nitro. You will get access to a lot of emojis, custom made emojis anywhere, and you can animate them as well. Here you can see on the top the option use your custom emoji anywhere and animate them. So this is the third way for how you can add emoji to Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.